Vagdevi Vidya Kendra. Here, our mission is to provide top-tier educational experiences which foster intellectual and personal growth.
Our school has a counseling room which provides us some personal support and emotional development. The counselor of our school provides us empathetic guidances and practical advices which helps the children to navigate the difficulties effectively.
Our motto is to provide the best education for the students. We also prepare the child to follow the 3 C's: creative, confident and cultured citizen of our country.
Here, the aim of education is not only focused on cognitive development, it is also on character building, holistic approach and well-rounded individual needed skills for the 21st century.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲದರ ಜೊತೆಲಿ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಕಲಿ 100% ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ.